Anyone with access to financial news probably knows that in many regions of the world, inflation is high and growing, having a severe impact on people's purchasing power that also forces governments and central banks to choose between halting price increases and avoiding a serious recession. In these circumstances, a side hustle may be your sole option for providing all of your needs without considering cost-cutting measures. Gary Vee isn't an unknown name in this context, is it? When it comes to the potential of digital marketing, his story has the gold standard. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Stories. In today's video, we will show you 7 ideas of passive income with which you can also hustle like Gary Vee. Let's get started. Gary Vaynerchuk is a big fan of side hustles. In his Trash Talk videos, the serial entrepreneur turned social media superstar talks about finding hidden treasure at your neighbor's rubbish sale. That's right, despite having an estimated net worth of $160 million, Gary Vee still has time for a side hustle. His preferred way of making extra money is called flipping, short for retail arbitrage. Real estate may be out of reach for those without deep pockets, but retail goods provide a different opportunity. 1. Flip it. The concept is simple. Find a cheap item, especially one that a big box store such as Walmart, TJ Maxx, or Target is attempting to get rid of on their closeout shelves, and scan things. The following step is to investigate the price at which the item can be purchased online. You may do this with a variety of websites and applications such as Amazon or eBay. When you locate an item with a price differential that is significant enough, you flip it by purchasing it and immediately selling it for a profit. According to Vaynerchuk, those with debt or who need quick cash can benefit greatly from this type of side hustle. No one should kid themselves into thinking that this side hustle is a guaranteed way to financial security. A third or more of American workers still struggle to make ends meet despite having a side business. In one of his #Trash Talk videos, Vaynerchuk says that not everything has a flip side, but grinders who are shrewd trend spotters and work hard can turn a profit. Number 2. NFT. NFTs, for those who aren't familiar with them yet or are just learning about them, are digital goods that are bought, sold, and traded online and are recorded as data on the blockchain. These distinctive digital tokens serve to symbolize the actual worth of goods being bought, traded, or transferred. Vaynerchuk believes that the future is bright for the creative industry now that digital ownership is expanding beyond video games. To a degree, NFTs are both simple and difficult. Even if the concept and the explanation are simple to understand, most people become perplexed once they begin creating, purchasing, selling, or exchanging NFTs online. Vaynerchuk says that everyone who has even a passing fascination with the internet, the metaverse, or building digital riches has to devote at least 20 hours to thoroughly researching and learning about NFTs. Researching on your own lets you grasp the facts. Therefore, learning about NFTs can completely alter how you use and interact with the internet, regardless of whether you choose to read books, articles, or videos. The 3 steps to getting started by Gary Vee are: 1. Do thorough research. 2. Make your NFT. He goes on to recommend that anyone interested in learning the ropes make their digital product or sell some photographs with your contact information included as a call to action. 3. Build. NFTs can help you become an expert or advance your profession. By selling NFTs, you can turn your long-term supporters into monetary investors in your company. 3. Self-branding. Vee has a strong background in branding, so we should heed his suggestions. Before founding Resy, an American technology and media company, he began his entrepreneurial career as a wine critic. Before leaving his mark on the digital marketing sector, he advanced to Empathy Wines, a premium wine brand. The fact that Vee puts his name on every project he leads contributes to his success as a leader in his field. Instead of hiding from the world, he basks in the glory of his many business successes. With his Q&A show, #AskGaryVee, the Daily Vee blog, and his similarly named podcast, The Gary Vee Audio Experience, he has a variety of public speaking possibilities thanks to his distinctive branding strategy. One thing is certain in a world where consumers are hesitant to spend: your branding needs to be unrelenting, genuine, and potent if you want to succeed. This can lead to fame and fortune, turning your name into something people recognize and seek out. And if you can present and package yourself positively, you can make a lot of money. 4. Freelancing. In a #AskGaryV episode, Gary highlighted how to succeed as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr. One must first be skilled and aware of a client demand. It is a vast platform with a wide range of needed content. He emphasized that persistence is a requirement for success and that having exceptional skills can lead to more opportunities. Taking your present job in your 9-to-5 function and doing it online is the most straightforward approach to earning money online. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., for instance, you may advertise your abilities online and find clients who will pay you to put them to use. For each sort of freelancer, there is also an endless array of work portals to choose from. Freelancing writers can apply for gigs on writing job boards and general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your abilities can't be leveraged to generate revenue streams directly, you can attempt to make money with other transferable talents you may have. You must first develop a solid portfolio if you want to work from home as a freelancer and earn money online. That may initially entail performing pro bono work for a few solid mid-tier companies. You might approach potential large clients once you've built up a strong portfolio to increase your internet income. It's important to keep in mind that finding freelance work is a numbers game. The more targeted your emails and applications are, the better your chances of getting a response. You can't disagree that Gary Vee provides the best content for us. He offered a strategy for creating such materials that would undoubtedly help you make some extra cash. 1. Creating from the top down, not from the bottom up. 2. Document instead of creating. 3. Utilize the content in the best way. And for our next method, you should remember these 3 important keys. 5. Create a YouTube channel. It's possible to monetize your YouTube channel just like the rest of the industry. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, who posts odd antics on his YouTube channel and earned $54 million in 2021, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jake Paul is another great earner who has amassed $45 million on YouTube by spreading entertaining prank videos and boxing material. Because of his popularity on YouTube and in his boxing career, he was able to use his influence to gain additional income through internet ventures. Beside that, we all know how Gary Vee used this platform to become a self-made millionaire. Build a big, devoted audience on your YouTube by concentrating on a particular niche. Makeup tutorials, gaming streams, product reviews, talent lessons, prank videos, and everything else you can do may help you find an audience on YouTube. Making money on YouTube is all about supplying what viewers want to see. Use clever titles to draw viewers to your videos and include keywords in the description to improve YouTube search. You may start using YouTube advertisements to monetize your channel after you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. 6. Earn income through affiliate marketing. Making money with affiliate marketing is a common practice on the web. Although its popularity has fluctuated throughout the years, it is still a reliable way to make money online. Affiliate marketing is advantageous since it gives you access to a wide variety of potential business partners, such as Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. In affiliate marketing, you promote the products of other businesses in exchange for a cut of the sales you will generate. If you're a skilled marketer, you can increase sales by advertising services, apps, software, and more. Even if the commission you receive may seem insignificant, remember that you may work as an affiliate for multiple companies and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Focusing on content marketing is your greatest option if you're serious about earning money through affiliate marketing online. You'll have something of value in your possession once you've filled out your blog with many pages of original, well-written content. To increase traffic to your affiliate partner's website, carefully choose which affiliate links to include in your blog entries. 7. Create a blog. Writing a blog is one of the easiest ways to make money online. People who enjoy writing often launch blogs with a specific audience in mind. A blog about procrastination, automobiles, dropshipping, toys, etc. is both clear enough to attract a dedicated readership and broad enough to allow for extensive coverage of related topics, and you can start a blog on a variety of platforms. Focus on extremely precise keywords with a clear focus when you start your blog and extend into additional respective sections as you develop and dominate new areas. This will enable you to gradually create a sizable blog. Blogging may be done for financial gain in several different ways. Affiliate links with a disclaimer are acceptable in blog posts. You may make your money from your site by properly inserting adverts. Review bloggers often use sponsored posts as a means to monetize their sites and support their hobbies. Well, that was all for today's video. To stay up to date on the next video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.